le dije hola. Te vi caminando en lo oscuro sola. En este juego tú tienes la ola. Quiero comerte completita toda. Quiero comerte completita.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a back to school look. Yes, you heard it right. A back to school. You know what's exciting? We get to go back. Yes, we get to see all the teachers we hate, all the homework, all the essays we don't want to do. But you know, the bright side, yeah, there is no bright side. The only thing that I'm excited for school is to go get school supplies, new clothes, new shoes, new everything. So yeah, but today I'm just gonna be doing back to school natural makeup look, because I know a lot of people don't really like to wear heavy makeup to school. Most of the products I'm using are from the drugstore, so they're very affordable if you don't have enough money to go to Sephora like me. I can only go on special occasions because, you know, a girl is broke. All the products I'm using are cheap, but they're good. Trust me, girl, they're good. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. The first thing I'm gonna use as moisturizer is this Olay Complete UV 365 Daily Moisturizer. Next, I'm gonna use Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, oil free.
Commissioner.
Like always, I'm gonna use the Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation, and I use 120 Classic Ivory because I'm pale. Make sure to drag it all the way down, because I hate when I see girls at school when they got the orange line right there. Now let me check up close if I like the coverage, and if not, I just add some more to places I think that needs more, because on my forehead, you know, I've been having a little bit some breakouts, you see, so I'm just gonna put some more right there. Back to school, no, not gonna do that. It should more be like, back to school, back to school, back to school, at least for me. Okay, now, take out move again. I'm gonna use the matching thing, the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I use 15 Light, but I think I should go a shade lighter because it's kind of dark on me, even though it doesn't look like dark. It looks pretty light. So yeah, I'm gonna take the mirror because I need to see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set my eyes with this powder, because usually in the mornings I ain't got time for no eye primer. You know, you're in a rush. You're like, forget this step, because if not, I'm either gonna not be able to do my hair or do the extra mile steps to better long last your makeup. I know you should put it on, but a girl ain't got time in the mornings. After that, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics 133, and I'm gonna use this on my neck. So I'm not gonna do my brows because, like I said, I don't have time in the mornings, and that's like a 10-minute process, so I think I'd rather make it on time and not get yelled at than do my eyebrows. You know, I have pretty dark eyebrows anyway, so usually I just comb through them and make sure they're not all wonky, because sometimes I wake up and my eyebrow hairs are like this way and they will not go back to the regular way. I got the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. It's really big, but I like to use I've been liking to use big brushes for my contour, or for my bronzer, which is like rare, because I usually like to just do like angled brush, but I've been liking to use jumbo brushes recently for that. I usually just take these three. I take these three colors and I just swirl it around. Bring it around town. I can't stay. Now I'm gonna bronze my big old 5 head, 6 head, 7 head, 8 head, 9 head, 10 head. I don't know what's up with me today. I'm gonna take another brush, another one of my BH Cosmetics. Oh, it's the 133. It's the same one. Still has, it doesn't have that much powder on it, I don't think. But I just go in and blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Okay. So I already set my eyes. Well, when I was putting foundation on, I put some on my eyelids, and then I set them with the powder. And I'm going to be using today the 350 Natural Glow eyeshadow palette by Morphe. It's actually new. I just got it, and I love it already. And this is not that bad either. This is pretty affordable for all these colors. Comes with 35 colors. If you didn't know from that title. You can hear the angel choir. They're so pretty. Actually, maybe I should keep this close by so I can actually tell you what the names are. So let me put it right here. Okay, using the color up front with my NYX brush. I don't know what it is. It doesn't say on it. NYX brush. I'm going to use this color right here called Up Front. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. Because even though I said it, I just want it to be like an even base. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that I got in my Modern Realisms palette, I'm going to use, oh, it's called Wannabe, because I wish that I could be like the cool kids. Wannabe cool kid. I don't know where I'm going with that. Okay, but I'm going to use a Wannabe, and I'm going to use this in my crease as a transition color. Next, I'm going to take cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. Not that kind of cocoa though. Like chocolate cocoa. And I'm gonna use this more into my deep into my crease to define it more. Back with the brush, my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I'm gonna, that I used with the transition color, I'm gonna just blend everything together. I can't stay. With a more precise brush, this Boo Boo brush that I don't even know where I got. I'm gonna take darker, which is right next to the color I just used, cocoa. And I'm going to mix that with Slight. I'm going to mix it with Slight for these two. And I'm going to put that on my outer V to darken it up. Okay, so I'm going to blend it again with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. to make sure everything's seamless. I'm gonna use my Luxie 245 small shader brush, and then the color is called Pop, and it's gonna make you pop, 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 pop. Hopefully. So it's this color right here. I'm gonna spritz some of my all-nighter, Urban Decay all-nighter, and then I'm gonna squirt some on there so it's more bright. Then now I'm gonna go back in with the precision brush, and then I'm gonna take darker and slight, and I'm gonna just blend it in with the sparkly color. Now that I got my Juicy Beauty blender, I'm gonna put it like, it's really wet, like you hear it. Is this ASMR? No. It's like really wet, you see, but it melts everything together perfectly, and I like that, because if not, it looks super powdery. And now I'm gonna let this a little bit. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my Master Chrome metallic highlighter by Maybelline. This is really affordable too, and it's so blinding. I love it so much. And another BH Cosmetics brush, 140. I use it as a highlighter brush. I'm gonna use Cocoa, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line using another Boom Boom brush. And then now I'm gonna use my always loved Last Sensational by Maybelline New York. Y'all can see a little bit of my eyes. For lippy stick, I'm gonna be using my pretty favorite combo right now. So the NYX Lingerie and Bedtime Flirt. No. So I'm gonna use that, and then on top I'm gonna put this Milani High Shine, no, Amore Shine. Sorry, it's Amore Shine. And oh, and Charming. So dang, Bedtime Flirt and Charming. I'm getting all them boys. No, I'm just kidding. I ain't got no biggie. Let this dry a little bit, and then I'll put the gloss on. Okay guys, that was the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna hold it a little bit closer so you can see better. I hope you guys enjoyed my back to school natural makeup look, and if you want to see like a full-on glam one for like picture day or something, or if you just want to be stunting on all these girls at school and be extra, then let me know. Okay guys, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment what you want to see next. Okay guys, I love you.